Good morning, everybody. I actually have a few things that I need to do before I start work today, so I'm going to bring you guys along. I'll show you the new ducks and the chickens, how big they've gotten. I took out one of our chickens that we processed for dinner tonight. I'm either going to put it in the oven or I'm going to put it in my Ninja and pressure cook it and then brown it, which is really good in the Ninja. It actually has a lot of juice to it. It is very tender still. And then I'll bring you out to show you our turkeys on how big they've gotten. They're huge, our white turkeys. I do have a surprise. We did get something and I'll show you when we get out there. Go along with our bourbon reds. And then our Nargatsets. They are actually getting pretty big. It looks like we do have 4 males, so if anybody knows of a female that's in Michigan, please let us know. I would greatly appreciate getting a female because I do want to breed them. And then our guineas and all that. So come along. If you could like our page, hit the notifications bells, and subscribe to it, it would help us out a great deal to grow our channel on YouTube. Thank you, and we'll see you in a bit. So we did end up with 3 ducks and 10 chickens out of the last hatching that I did, and they are getting quite a bit bigger. So I'll show you them. Okay, there they are. There's our 3 ducks and our 10 chickens. Our ducks are now bigger than the chickens, so we were able to put them in to the same hatching area. I still do have a heat lamp on them because it has been getting quite chilly at nighttime here in Michigan. But they're doing great. So our white turkeys are huge. Look at this. I'll take you over to see what we got now. I'm excited about it. Hopefully it works. Hopefully my bourbon reds are females, so we'll see. We got us a male bourbon red. We got them from a sanctuary here in Michigan. And I think he likes antagonizing my other ones over my other coop. Okay, I'm going to feed them now. It looks like they still have a little bit of food left from last night. But okay, let's get them back. Oh, guineas. you guys know anybody that needs a female silkies and here in Michigan, comment below. Because they're starting to fight each other. And I need to get rid of them. They are quite pretty. Okay, time to go feed the guineas and everything now. Okay, feeding time. And I'm almost positive all my Nargotts turkeys, I'm probably pronouncing that wrong, are all males. So if anybody knows of a female that I can get here in Michigan, that would be great. We thought these two, since they're different colors, maybe females, but I'm not so sure. Because I think they all cackle. Or should I say gobble, like turkeys do. I think you're a little bit crooked. Okay, so I'm going to start feeding them. Plus I've got ducks, so if you know anybody that wants a few ducks, I got 8 of them. Then I'm going to end up free ranging if I can't get rid of them. He's right at the front. I think they like their food. I just love watching them. They're so peaceful, just to sit and watch. But time to move on. I got more chores to do. I gotta go get water to the white turkeys and silkies and ducks over there. Looked like their water was empty. Also, if you know anybody that wants a couple roosters or needs any roosters, I have several that I hatched out the last time I did a hatching back in August that are pretty much ready to go. And you'll see them coming out. Hey, not in front of the camera. That one's a new one. That's a rooster. The rooster next to it is black as well. Let me see if I got any eggs. Hi, roost. Okay, I got 3 eggs. Time to go water the turkeys. out of the puddle when you hear fresh water. Weird. Ducks are so weird. And my rooster. I think he's trying to pick a fight with my Silky. I don't think they realize there's a fence in between them. The duck just told him to stop. That's kind of funny. Okay. Until later today after I get out of work. I do have to work today. It is a Tuesday, so we did end up having a great party for my mom and dad's 50th anniversary over the weekend. I did put that video up, so if you guys want to see it, it's labeled 50th anniversary in 2020. And I'll put a link up top for it as well. So until later. So we ate and I forgot to show you my ninja creation. Well, my mom cooked it. It's nice and brown. And this is one of the chickens that we processed.
I don't have any of that.
And the
She's stealing the rest of the skin off of it.
wonderful. And if you don't eat it while it's hot, just doesn't taste the same.
Yes, it does.